Well, here's the final result. This is the small clips. I still use the spade terminal. I was able to drill this out a little bit back here to get the spade terminal inside. I cut the spade terminal shorter on this one. This just goes over that. This one I didn't cut it off, left it longer. I bent them in a little so they wouldn't stick out. But now I have a white wire with the small terminals, and I have a black wire with the bigger terminals. These are 10 amp, like I said. I'll show you how it can clip to a Marx motor. See that I was able to clip right over the ends of that, and they lock right in there. It's not going to touch the frame, and it won't come off. So to get the main power to there, clip it on, and just as an example, you could clip on your negative wire to that or the end here, and they really hold. This motor I cleaned up a few weeks ago. I'm getting ready to put it back into a Commodore Vanderbilt. Cleaned it all up with WD-40, soap and water, Dremel tool. I guess I should show you how it runs. I could use my old terminals. Let's see. Plug in my transformer. Using my old terminals. See there, it's not easy to get it that wide. You can't really, and then when this moves around, you can touch the frame. Try that. And this. Let's see. Runs really well. See? The terminal fell off. That's always the case with these other terminals, so hopefully my new ones will work better. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a few more. Hopefully I'm gonna do one on Marx William Crookes next. Thanks for watching.